Our project is a motion-based game recommendation system. Say suppose Jackie wants to play online games. He goes to the most popular gaming application Steam for suggestions. But there is a problem. There are too many games to choose from. For example, here there are around 640 games. Not only that, consider Jackie is sad or angry. Steam recommendation remains the same. Steam doesn't consider the current mood or emotional state of Jackie. These are two major problems we are targeting to solve in our project.
To tackle these problems, we have built a hybrid game recommendation system incorporating the current mood of the gamer. We start by scraping reviews and games data from Steam, which is the largest data repository for online games, and store it as JSON files. We then use two traditional recommendation techniques such as content-based and collaborative filtering. Content-based uses similarity between games played by a user, and collaborative filtering uses user-to-user correlation to recommend games. We use these two to build a parallel hybrid recommender system with 80% weightage to content-based and 20% weightage to the collaborative method, and come up with a list of recommendations. Next up, we use a topic modeling technique called LDA for clustering game tags into 7 different genres. We then take the hybrid game recommendation list and associate genres to them based on game tags. We also make a static one-to-one mapping between the 7 genres and 7 human emotions. Once the user image is captured, current emotion is matched with the recommended games for fine-tuned emotion-based recommendations for increased user engagement.
Now let us look at our application in action. So in this case, we have majorly two workflows in our application. The first one being the user-based recommendation, where we will be providing a Steam user ID and followed by an emotion using which a game will be recommended. So let me give a happy face. Now once I click the get recommendation, API call is made to the backend, and that one will be triggering a hybrid recommendation for this particular user. And as you can see, the deduction emotion is happy, and we also get the games associated with the recommendation. So clicking on this link will also take us to the Steam link using which we can download and play that particular game. Now in case if I don't have a Steam user profile and still I want to use this recommendation tool, I can go with the Steam ID recommendation. So basically I can copy the Steam game ID and I can provide it over here. This one is going to, I'm still keeping the happy face over here, and if I click the get recommendation, this is going to make a service call to the backend API, which is just going to use content based because all we have is a game, and using that we are going to get a bunch of games which are filtered based on the emotion. And as you can see, we will get the results now. As you can see, what we provided was a Call of Duty. I'm a big fan of Call of Duty, and once I provided that old Call of Duty game, it's going to recommend similar games like same Call of Duty from the older times, and that's what gets recommended because of the proper similarity between those, and also other games which fit the same profile. That's all for the demo. Thank you.